authoritatively sent off on July 17, 2020, by cronje. For the most part, long money is one of the most valuable decentralized finance coins. It is likewise known to be a stage that expands income procured through computerized resources by yield cultivating. Look at this view before we start with definite YFI cost expectation. More famous as the token long money has a developing fan following with a target to boost extremely yearly rate yields and sort of is likewise eminent as a PY for its esteemed clients, known for holding the acknowledgement for a lofty decentralized project. Long money tokens are used by clients as USDC, USDT, and EDI while executing different exchanges like storing reserves, and so on. With the assistance of YFI tokens, clients can procure loaning charges as well as exchanging expenses. Under the umbrella of long, a huge number of stablecoins get support VIS, DAI, USC, UST, TUST, and SUSD, and they are additionally certainly moved among different upheld DEFI conventions like Compound, OV, DIDX, and BEND, based on which resource pool by and large is offering the best return. Thus, we can incorporate different exercises of explicitly long money, with the most conspicuous ones being one of a benefit-changing loan specialist to expand loaning yields, going about as a facilitator for stablecoin exchanges, no capital robotized outlet for OV, and that of making vaults for getting and loaning generally needs connected with exceptionally brilliant agreements. The really key classes to pick above classifications are portioned under procure, ZAP, APR, and vaults. It can explicitly be underlined that long money as a stage goes about as an impetus to advance stablecoins by means of loaning and getting through BEND money, and simultaneously improving pool liquidity with computerized resources. Worth focusing on is that the above sort of whole ecospace of DEFI by long is explicitly overseen productively and successfully. The YFI genuinely token generally assumes a vital part here. Right now, this computerized coin cost is around $21,565.58 with a market cap of $790,708,582.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume remains at $127,896,725.40 with a coursing supply of 36,638 YFI. Despite the fact that put in a profoundly unpredictable universe of crypto resources, ideal variables like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly vital part in impacting speculations as well as long money cost forecast, which is very huge. The essential goal of the YFI group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and simultaneously security incredibly. This multitude of elements comprise speculation exhortation by top dealers as well as specialists. The ongoing cost of long money in every practical sense approaches $21,555.80. In view of our expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost gauge for 2026 is $225,342, which is very huge. With a 5-year speculation, the all-out worth of income is supposed to be around plus 621.18%, according to our yearn.finance cost expectation. There is potential for YFI cost and show it might go on a higher feeling in the digital money market. The coin cost could cross $32,320.13 toward the finish of 2022, making it a productive speculation. According to our drawn-out cost expectation, the coin could get marginally impacted by bears, yet we'll see the bull ride around 2024 and the coin might exchange between the greatest cost of $25,867 and the most reduced cost of $22,299. In light of our information of long money stage and its YFI token demonstrates that the resource cost has been in an upturn for the beyond 1 year. In the forthcoming days, it might keep on showing a rising propensity. The future cost of the resource is anticipated at $108,898.93 following a year as per our forecast framework and monetary administration, established as of late in February 2020. Long money has had an extraordinary group of devoted experts who are specialists in the digital currency market. The previous year demonstrated extraordinarily sure for long money notwithstanding the impacts of the pandemic, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Albeit the coin eased back a piece in the genuinely final part of the year gone by, it got in every way that really matters. Extraordinary push finishing the year 2020 with monstrous addition. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for long money as it kept a cost of $29,730 all through according to the most recent news. The 5 years in length figure is given beneath that portrays the YFI arrangement of hazard as well as gauge venture situation for crypto market examination in view of day-to-day diagram and market news giving ascent and fall of long money DEFI token all-time exorbitant cost. YFI value expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital money markets, YFI is good to go to insist serious areas of strength for its is a really significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is brimming with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting bringing about a significant push to the cost taking it to cross all obstructions scaling $28,910.64. YFI Value Forecast 2023. YFI has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item in a significant manner. These elements can assist the YFI with begetting gain a genuinely a lot greater cost of $34,766.18 per coin. If the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush. YFI Value Expectation 2024. There are many expectations proceeding for the YFI token, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the environment has plans on. There in every practical sense are suspicions that its market cost might reach $35,368.05. The intriguing special endeavors might wrap up making the financial backers reap the increases. Albeit the cryptographic money markets are totally unusual, it would maybe take a wonder for YFI to build its cost by that much in such a short measure of time. YFI Value Expectation 2025. YFI is additionally dynamic in local area drives, taking into account they keep up force earning a critical market cap. Their drives with an emphasis on training, effort, and developments might take them to an obvious degree of $45,829.36. A stunning hopefulness is likewise anticipated for YFI primarily because of its steady exhibition over years. YFI will balance out to bring heroic returns for its clients. YFI Value Forecast 2026. In the event that all markets turn positive, this advanced resource especially is set to break all boundaries and perform abundantly scaling the top as really aforementioned, violating all constraints throughout the following year. It would without a doubt give indications of fortune. Supported by vigorous shrewd agreements, long money cost may handily contact $41,683.07 before the year's over 2026. How does YFI gain esteem in the market? Amazingly, the credit goes to merchants. They have trusted in YFI, accepting it would scale apex, transforming the universe of cryptographic forms of money. YFI has stowed its certainty simply based on its legitimacy, which is very huge. YFI explicitly has demonstrated its guts against its rivals. Where might I at any point purchase the YFI? All really prestigious, for the most part significant trades of the world convey the trademark presence of YFI. Agreeable trades additionally basically provide you with the office of straightforwardly exchanging YFI to FI in every way that really matters. Token for fiat resources like USD, EUR, GBP, and so on, or other digital currencies on many trades. Brokers can likewise profit from the block rewards program on YFI. How would you bring in cash with especially long money? One can say okay and negative. Is it true or not that you are watching the development of YFI on the trade fastidiously? You want to really do your own exceptionally a reasonable level of